Hi, welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Natalie.
And today we are fixing the Lanai. We had to stop for a bit.
Yeah.
It was getting hot. It was getting really hot out there. So wish us luck for the next instalment, really.
It's been tough.
So, thank you for watching. How did that go?
Hard work.
It was really hard. We struggled a lot. There was a lot we learned.
Yeah.
Today.
We had to learn.
It's been tough.
Yeah.
But hey, we've done it. It's all fixed. So that's how you fix a Lanai.
Yeah. Cheers.
Simple. Cheers.
Oh, you did cut yourself as well.